In this video, I will give you a list of things to help you really know how to stop snoring, even with sleep apnea. Then at the end of the video, I'll go over a secret remedy that is scientifically proven to stop or at least minimize almost every sleep disorder. This is how snoring happens for most people. When you fall asleep at night, most of your muscles relax, almost to the point of paralysis. This includes your jaw muscles, and since you're laying down, your chin and all of the tissues of your upper airway collapse backwards. The main culprit is your tongue, and since it's a large tissue, it tops off that upper airway. Now you still continue to breathe, but since the air is forced through a tiny airway, all the tissues start to vibrate, and this creates a snoring sound. My following tips will stop the snoring process at different points. Normally, you have to do a combination of the tips to finally stop snoring. The first thing to do is to lay in a position that does not cause your jaws to fall backwards as much. You can learn to sleep on your side, and there are devices that will help you learn how to do that. Or you can learn to sleep with a pillow wedge that will prop you up a little bit if you don't want to learn to sleep on your side. The taller the pillow wedge, the higher your back is propped up, which means the less likely you're to snore because your jaw is falling more downward instead of backwards. That's why people that sleep on an airplane tend to not snore as much because they're propped up. I will link to a tall pillow wedge in the description below this video along with all the other products that I recommend to help you stop snoring. As a side note, a pillow wedge also can help with some of your back pain while sleeping. It may take a couple weeks to learn how to sleep with a pillow wedge. The second thing you can do is have a snore guard made by a dentist. Now there are many types of snore guards out there, but what most do is stop your jaw from falling back at night so that it keeps the airway open. The problem with snore guards is they aren't consistent. They aren't 100% effective. What might work for one patient might only minimize snoring for another or do nothing for someone else. They're only about 40 to 60% effective. However, if you couple it with my other tips, that percentage goes to about 80% and above effectiveness. The trick is to find a good sleep dentist that will find a device that works best for you. If you're in Southern California, my office phone number is in the description below this video. I'd love to work with you to stop snoring. The third tip is one you might be tired of hearing if it applies to you. Losing weight will decrease your chances of snoring. The tissues in your throat also contain fatty tissues. So as you work out and lose weight, also the fatty tissue in your throat decreases, which increases the airway and you have less chance of snoring. The tough part about losing weight when you have sleep apnea or you're not getting good sleep is you have less energy. So to make up and compensate, you tend to eat more, which increases the fatty tissue in your throat and increases snoring. It's a vicious cycle. There will be an added level of difficulty to lose weight if you have sleep issues, but you can overcome it. It just takes a lot of discipline. Fourth, over-the-counter nasal decongestants, anti-inflammatories, and allergy medication can possibly help reduce snoring if they correct a problem that applies to you. All would possibly reduce traffic in that upper airway. I don't recommend doing this if it does not apply to you. It's always a bad idea to take too much medication. Fifth, smoking, alcohol, and caffeine all increase the chances of snoring. You got to eliminate all of them. Caffeine might be especially difficult because you might get energy from that if you're sleep deprived. Getting rid of caffeine will actually increase your energy over time, although it may be really difficult at those times when you're really tired. My sixth tip are for those people that snore due to sleep apnea, and that's a CPAP machine. You should see a doctor if you're having sleep issues, and a CPAP machine is 100% effective in getting rid of both snoring and sleep apnea for those that have sleep apnea. The downside to CPAPs, they're only 100% effective if you can tolerate it. My last tip is intriguing and a secret drug companies don't like you to hear. I hesitate to even mention it because so much nonsense is said about vitamins, but there is one vitamin that will help you decrease snoring and almost every sleep disorder. This vitamin is vitamin D. Here is a peer-reviewed study that shows that vitamin D actually works to decrease almost every type of sleep disorder. Why? The theory is that we get vitamin D from the sun and some foods. Since we don't go outside as much anymore, thanks to air conditioning and inside jobs, Our bodies think we are in a constant winter where we should be hibernating and sleeping a lot. However, this lack of sun and vitamin D is causing our sleep to be too deep and our muscles relax too much, which, as you know, causes our muscles to fall back too far and cause snoring. Vitamin D signals that we don't need to be in as deep of a sleep as our muscles are and helps the jaw muscles to hold the jaw forward a bit. There is one caveat. This study says for vitamin D to work, our blood levels need to be between 60 and 80 nanograms per milliliter. But most of us won't be taking blood tests to find out. Still, taking a little bit of vitamin D will help. I will link to my favorite vitamin D supplements in the description below, as well as a take-home vitamin D blood test if you want to monitor your blood levels. And during this process, you might want to invest in some noise-canceling headphones for your partner to preserve your relationship. I'll link to some high-rated ones by Consumer Reports that I use. In fact, all these tips I've given you today are how I eliminated snoring from my life. If you have any sleep issues, always see a physician or a sleep doctor. You can come see me if you need a snoring device and you're in Southern California. All the products that I have recommended today, I will also link to below this video. You can really help someone by sharing this video with someone that snores. And like, subscribe, and watch my other videos.